So here we are in the midst of the Schoology course for the AP Physics Summer Assignment, and we're in the Solving Equations Explicitly section and screencast videos, and you'll see there's quite a list of them here. They're not super long. Now there's a very specific way I want you to go through this. These represent, I'm saying these, but then you don't see them. There we go. These represent, in fact, this is the equation sheet for AP Physics. Lots and lots of equations. All of them really just describe something about physics or the way the world works in shorthand form. But one of the things we have to be good at is rearranging these for whatever variable we need. So for example, we'll just pick one kind of at random here. So here's the equation for kinetic energy. Our goal with this assignment is I want you to be able to solve that for m, solve it for, in other words, get m by itself, or get v by itself. Or of course, it already comes with k by itself. But every one of these, you need to be able to rearrange comfortably without numbers and get any one of the variables in it by itself on one side. In other words, to solve it explicitly. In other words, without having a bunch of numbers plugged in, just using the variables. It's going to take some practice, and you may have to redo some problems 2 or 3 times. But here's how this is going to work. So here, I give you, let's see, solve equation 30 is what this says for V. And then over here I say solve equation 30 for F. And so you would go to the front and you would find equation 30, which is here. Slide it over, which is over here in waves. And you're going to solve that for the variables I indicate. But here's the thing. In this video, I give you how to do that. You see, these first sets, I give you some help. All right, so in these first sets here, let me show you. So notice, here we go, bring up, boom. So notice at the top of this page, it says solving equations explicitly notes. So every one of these in the first few pages, let me zoom this out a little bit. There we go. So this first page, the page after that. All right. So the first 3 pages, really, that one, this one, and this one. The first 3 pages are actually, you're going to watch me do them on the video. But here's the thing. Don't watch all of these videos. Do not watch all of these videos in a row. Watch the first couple and then jump to the middle of the packet where it says solving equations explicitly assignment. See, after you watched the videos for those first couple, these first 2 in the assignment part are going to be very similar to that. And so forth and so on. So take some notes on the first, say the first page even. So watch the videos for the first page. Then jump and do the first page of stuff in the problem part, where it says assignment at the top. And do those. Then watch the videos for the second page, we'll say. Might not be a bad way to break it down. And then go to the assignment part and do the second page of that. You'll have an easier time if you break it up into chunks than if you watch all the videos mindlessly and don't practice anything until the very end. The key is watch a couple videos, practice a little bit. Watch a couple and then practice. So don't just try to do it all at once. Now, I can't stress this enough. There's a good chance that in fact, there's almost a guarantee that you're going to get stuck on plenty of these. And you're going to be tempted to call up your friend and be like, what did you get? Or to have some computer program do it for you and to fill it out and think, well, at least I'll get it done and I'll turn it in. It doesn't matter. Your grade matters in terms of the test at the end of the marking period. If you fill this out with right answers that you got from somewhere other than your brain, then you're doing yourself no good whatsoever. It is just as bad as not doing it all. Are you going to get stuck on these? Yes. Are you going to need help? Absolutely. If you're stuck on one, you're like, I just don't get how you did this, or what, how to apply what you did to this other equation. That's when you do things like shoot me a text, or you schedule some time with me to catch up with it. You skip it. I'd rather you skip it, leave it blank, and try to get and come to me the first day of school. Be like, this one right here, I got these, but this one right here, I struggled with. Could you help me? Now, if you walk to me the first day of school and say, oh, I couldn't do any of it, that's just crap. Like, no, you just didn't try. But if you can give specific, right? Sometime in August in particular, I will set up times for you to come in and get help. You're always welcome to text me, and if I can help you, I will. But the fact is that you are going to get stuck, and you need to accept that now. You're going to struggle. What you need to do is not quit or not cheat. If you promise yourself that you're not going to do that, you'll be fine in the long run. So we're going to do this one in pieces. Watch a couple of these videos, then do a couple problems. And you're always welcome to go back and do them again later on, even though you've done them once. If you wait a week or two and try them again from scratch, it's actually going to be very helpful. All right. So good luck on this one. When you're done, you're going to scan or take pictures of the assignment. You can really do it for just the assignment part, the last 2-3 pages, or you can submit to Schoology, or you can wait till the first day of school and bring it in and submit it to me then.